Happy Halloween and Dia de los Muertos this Saturday, everyone. 3D printing is so cool. Alright, I'm over here at the Noise Bridge Hackerspace in San Francisco and making some papel picados for Dia de los Muertos, which is this weekend. It's one of my favorite events. I 3D printed this sugar skull. That one I printed at home with some tricolor glow-in-the-dark filament. How cool is that? But I'm just loving how these papel picados are turning out. That's from my little cat buddy that passed away recently. And look at this laser cutter just rocking it. How cool is that?
Tomorrow?
We are, well, no, there's one happening in Pittsburgh, in Pennsylvania, in Philadelphia, sorry, on the 4th, which we're trying to get to.
Oh, yeah.
But tomorrow we're just traveling, and then Tuesday and then second make a documentary, and third in Detroit, and third we drive all day, and then we go to New York.
That'll be wild. Are you covering politics?
So here we are at Dia de los Muertos. 2024. We've got the Palestinian flag. We've got papel picados. Stakes got hammered into the ground. And we've got free tea candles. And people are liking the papel picados. There's the altar I made for Kirsten. The papel picados are a hit, and people are also taking the keychains. The little gato keychains. There's not many left now. One of my favorite events of the year. This is Dia de los Muertos in the Mission, La Mission, in San Francisco, California. Got mariachi music playing in the background, and there are just altars and costumes and people everywhere. Here in Potrero del Sol Park, a lot of solidarity with Palestine, which is fantastic to see. And we've got community altars, personal altars. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous time.